costume design now, and the nominees are...
Joan Bergen, The Catcher Was a Spy. Clodagh Deegan, Aracht. Triana Lillis, Float Like a Butterfly. Eimear Mhaoldomhnaigh, The Rhythm Section. Susan O'Connor Cave, Vikings. Louise Stanton, Rosie.
And the winner is Eimear Mhaoldomhnaigh. Congratulations, Eimear.
Thank you so much.
Do you want to say a few words?
Yeah, sure. Yeah, I'm absolutely thrilled to win this. I mean, I think it's yeah, I've been a great supporter of IFTA ever since it started. So it's really an honour to win. And I'd like to thank Reid Morano and Barbara Broccoli. We just had the best fun ever making this film, and it took a long time, but it was really brilliant. And I'm so delighted for my team. And you know, I'd just like to congratulate IFTA for going ahead with this ceremony in these difficult times. It's great to see that the film industry is still thriving under these hard circumstances. So thank you so much. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Eimear. Brilliant work as always. Congrats.
Thank you, Deirdre.